students, so we have started sets and many bits of the sets I have already completed. Even Venn diagram for union and intersection I had shown, and certain properties are yet to be taken for these operations on the sets. So I will talk about the properties of these operations. Properties of union of two sets. Union of sets. Suppose A and B two sets are there. Let A, assume A, B and C are three sets. Then first property is, that is A union B is equal to B union A. If two sets are there, if you are finding the union of two sets, A union B is equal to B union A. Even three are there, so interchangeability is possible. So this is called commutative law. Commutative law. When if you interchange the position of the sets, union of these two is not going to change. You can see it by Venn diagram also. So two sets I am taking, and suppose two sets are there, A and B. This is A and this is B. What is the union of these two sets? It is a complete area between these two sets. So either A union B C or B union A, meaning is same. So this is called a commutative law. Second one is, that is A union B union C is equal to A union B union C. What does it mean? This is called the associative law. Associative law means what? If you are taking union of B and C first, and then you are finding the union of that set with A, then that will be same as if you are taking union of A and B first and taking union with the C. See, like this. So A, this is B and this is C. A, B, C. I am showing it by Venn diagram. It is easier to understand, even though it can be taken as a set also. In that case also you will find the same thing, and that is the exercise for you. You can do it by your own. So verify it. I am taking B union C first, right? So B union C is what? This complete area. This is B union C, right? And if you are taking union with A, so this area will also come in that. So the complete area is this. Similarly, if you are taking A union B first, A union B you are taking, so this area will come, A union B, right? Isn't it? And if you are taking union with C, then this area will also get included in this. Means you will get the same thing in both the cases, right? And you can take sets also. Any two sets you take, three sets you take, and you will find it, and you will realize that these two are equal. Third one, if you are finding A union phi, phi is the null set, isn't it? And there is no element. So if you are finding union with phi, you will get A, same set you will be getting. Fourth one, if you are finding A union A, union with the same set, you will get A. And fifth one, that is, suppose you are finding it is universal set, right? And you are finding union with A, then it will be a universal set. These are the simple properties of operation union. So no element in this, so union is this, A union is A union this, means total number of elements are coming. So these are the properties of the operation union. Now we will look at the properties of intersection of sets. Let A, B and C are three sets. Then first property, A intersection B is equal to B intersection A, as it was the case of union. This property holds good for union as well as intersection. See, this is one set, this is another set, this is A and this is B. Intersection part is this. So either you say it is A intersection B or B intersection A, meaning is same. Second is A intersection B intersection C is equal to A intersection B intersection C. Right? So this is also called the associative law. It is called the commutative law. So this also can be proved. This is A, this is B, this is C. This is A, B and C. First I am taking intersection of B and C. This is B, this is C. This is the intersection of B and C. Then I will take intersection with A. So with A, if you are taking, so B and C and A, which area is common? So this area is common. So this is what? This is A intersection B intersection C. This is a stepwise event. If you are finding A intersection B first, so there also it can be done. See, this is A, this is B and this is C. A, B and C. So first you will find the intersection of A and B. Intersection of A and B is this area, isn't it? And then with C, intersection with C. The intersection of this area and C, as we have done intersection of this area and A. So intersection of this area and C, this is the intersection. This is A intersection B intersection C. So what we are observing, in both the cases this area is same, means both are equal. Third one, if we are finding the intersection of null set, then we will get null set. Right? Fourth one, intersection of a set with itself, that is the same set you will be getting. And the fifth one, so intersection of universal set, intersection with this A, we will get A. Right? And one more property I will be taking, that is called the distributive property, that is A intersection B union C is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. This is called distributive law. This is called distributive law or distributive property, either of these two. So this is distributive. This can also be shown with Venn diagram. Now I will show you the sixth property by Venn diagram. Right? Whether it is correct or not, that will be shown by Venn diagram. Every property can be proved by taking any set. Right? A, B, C, three sets you take, and if you find all these things, you will find that this property holds good. Isn't it? So by Venn diagram also I am showing you, just because in future we are going to use Venn diagram very frequently to solve the problems. Right? So here, this we have to show. Sixth property, proof of that by Venn diagram. So A intersection B union C. So A intersection B union C, this is to be shown. So suppose three sets I am taking. This is A, right? this is B, and this is C. So this is A, this is B, and this is C. So first I will find B union C, right? So B union C, which area is there? This is the complete area. This complete area is, even we will extend this, right? This complete area is B union C. This is B union C, complete area we will be getting. And we have to find intersection with A. So intersection is the area which is common in two sets, right? That is the common area is called the intersection. So now new set is complete this, and with A, which area is common to C? This area is common in both A and this complete area. This which area is common? So this area is common, right? So this area is A intersection B union C, right? Now we will look at this. It is LHS part. LHS part. Now we will look at RHS part. So see, on right hand side, this is A intersection B union A intersection C. So first of all, what I will do, I will find A intersection B, and then find A intersection C, and then I will take union of these two. So RHS is A intersection B union A intersection C. So first I will find A intersection B. So see, this is A, this is B, right? So this part is what? This is A intersection B, right? Now we will find A intersection C. A is this, C is this. So this is A, this is C, right? So A intersection C is this part. This is A intersection C. If you are finding union of these two, right? So all the elements will come. The figure will be like this. This and this. So we will get the figure something like this. This is this area, right? And then it will be intersecting over here. So this will be this area. This is a union of this and this. This part will come. This is same as this area. So this area is the A intersection B union A intersection C. I have taken union of these two, this figure. So this is the same as this. So these two are equal. Or if we are making three figures, this is A, this is B, and this is C. Right? This is A, B, and C. So first A intersection B you take. So this part is A intersection B. A intersection B, right? Then you take A intersection C. So this is the part A intersection C. And if you are taking union, then complete area will come. So this part is A intersection B, and this part is A intersection C, and the complete part, if you are taking the whole part, is A intersection B union A intersection C, meaning is same, right? So concept is clear, all the properties are clear for the union and intersection. Now we will take the difference of sets. What is the significance of this? let A be any set. Suppose 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 11. This is one set, right? Another set B is there. That is 1, 2, 7, 15, 18 and 19. Suppose these are the two sets, right? So we have to find the difference between these two sets. Means A minus B or B minus and A minus B. So what is A minus B? Also is a set, right? A is this, B is this, and we have to find the difference. The difference may be A minus B or B minus A. So first I will take A minus B. So A minus B is such a set in which the elements which are there, those which are common in A and B, those elements will not be there, and rest of the elements of A will be there. A is written first, minus B. So minus B means those elements which are common in A and B, that will not be there in the set A minus B, and rest of the elements of A will be there. So common elements in A and B, you see, 1 is common, right? Then 7 is common. Only 1 and 7 is common. So barring 1 and 7, rest of the elements of A will be there. So that is 3, 4, 5, 9, 11. I think concept is clear. In A minus B, those elements of A will be there, right, which are not there in B. So 3, 4, 5, 9, 11. These are the elements of A minus B. Similarly, if you find B minus A, naturally, as I have made the definition of A minus B, in the same way, those elements of B will be there which are not there in A. So those elements of B will be written over here, right, which is not common with A and B. So common element is 1 and 7, so it will be 2, 15, 18 and 19. Is it clear, the difference between two sets? So this you can understand by Venn diagram also. So in the first case, or first and second both can be taken. This is the set A and this is the set B. I have intersected these two sets because there is some common elements 1 and 7. So this area is common element is 1 and 7. These two elements are common. So remaining elements of this 1, 7, 3, 4, 5, 9, 11. So 3, 4, 5, 9, 11. These are the elements of A, remaining elements. Similarly, in B, these are the common elements and remaining elements are 2, 15, 18, 19. 2, 15, 18, 19. So this way, complete all the elements of A and B is there. So this part, right, this part is called A minus B, and this part is B minus A. So concept of A minus B and B minus is clear. So we can write the definition of A minus B in set builder form. Therefore A minus B can be defined in set builder form X such that X is the element of A, right, and X is not the element of B. So we will take in A minus B those elements of A. This sign is for elements of. Those elements of A which are not there in B. This is not the element of B, right? So A minus B is X is the element of A, but X is not the element of B such element. Similarly, if I have to write B minus A, then here X such that X is the element of B and X is not the element of A. So this is the definition by set builder method. This is the Venn diagram. This is by listing method. In all the three ways I have told you what is the meaning of difference of two sets. So I think concept of difference is also clear to all of you. So we will start exercise 1.4 of your NCERT book of standard 11. Find the union of each of the following pair of sets. So union, intersection, difference, etc. I have explained you very nicely by giving the example of sets by listing method. Wherever sets are given in this form, in set builder form, so first we will convert this in the listing form, then finding the union becomes easy. So first question I will take. First one, X is this, Y is this, so you have to X, U, Y. So as per definition, so in X union Y, those elements will be there which are either in X or in Y. So see, 1. 1 is there in both. So 1 we can write. Then 3. 3 is at both the places. That I will write. 5. 5 is not there in both, but it is there in this. So we can write 5 also. Then 2 is there in this. So I will write 2 also. Because the definition is either X or in Y. Elements should be either in X or in Y. So those elements which are not common, those elements will also be taken in the set of X union B. First part is over. Then second part. You see, once you have understood, when the concept is clear, so solving problem won't be difficult. Understanding is more important. I emphasize on understanding, right? Because there is no limit of number of questions available. Questions are so many. But understanding, if it is there, then only number of questions you can do. Suppose in this exercise there are 10, 20, 30 problems may be there. But there is no limit of problems. There are no only 30 problems. There are 3,000 problems. So understanding, if it is there, so it is whether it is 30 or 3,000, it doesn't matter. Second part. These are the two sets. Elements are, there are vowels A, E, I, O, U, and this A, B, and C. So you find A union B. First element you see A and A. It is common. It is also A, right? So I will write A. Then E is not there. E, I, O, U. Nothing is there. So I will write all E, I, O, U. Because E is not there in both. It is there here. It is not there in B. So those elements will also be written which are not there in B, but it is in A. Those elements will be written which is in B, but not in A. Because either of these two, these elements are to be included in A union B. And A is common, I have already written. B and C is left. So we will write B, C. So this is A union B. I will go for the third question. Third question, A and B, two sets are there. So these two sets I will write in listing form first, right? Then we will find the union. So A. So X is a natural number multiple of 3. So what will be those numbers? So those numbers will be 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and so on. Right? It is infinite set because multiple of 3 will be table of 3 you can say. Right? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and all. B is X is a natural number less than 6. So I will write B. So B is the natural number. Less than 6 means it starts from 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Up to this we can take. We cannot go beyond that because it is less than 6. And you have to find the union of these two. So A union B. In A union B, those elements are there which are in both either this or this. Right? So see, 1 is here but 1 is not here. So 1 I will take, 2 I will take, 3 I will take because 3 at the both places, 4 I will take, right? 5 I will take. So then 6 I will take, 9 I will take, 12 and so these are the elements of A union B. Okay, all these elements will come in this, right? And all these elements will also come in this. So this is A union B. Fourth one. Are you getting, no? समझ में आ रही है बात कि इसमें ये सब एलिमेंट्स क्यों ले रहे हैं? क्योंकि इसमें वो एलिमेंट रहते हैं या तो इसमें होना चाहिए या तो इसमें होना चाहिए. तो ये सभी एलिमेंट जो इसमें आने चाहिए और ये सभी एलिमेंट इसमें आने चाहिए, इसलिए हम इसको छोड़ नहीं सकते एक भी एलिमेंट को. ठीक है, अच्छी बात है. फोर्थ, x is a natural number less and x is greater than 1 or less or equal to 6. तो अब a सेट कौन सा बनेगा ये बना देते हैं. So x is a natural number. Natural number starts from 1, but it is condition is given कि x is such that is greater than 1. तो पहला नंबर नेचुरल नंबर which is greater than 1 is 2. So you write 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Why do you take 6? Here I had not taken 1 because x is greater than 1. Right? Here 6 is x is less or equal to 6 means 6 is included. Right? If you remember, I had told the interval. Right? Interval. In interval, it is closed from right, open from left. So closed from right means this number will also be included in the set. Right? So we will go for B. Here again, it is closed from right. This interval 6 to 10, it is closed from right and open from left. X is a natural number. X is greater than 6 and less or equal to 10. So which numbers will come in this? That is 7, 8, 9 and 10. Because natural numbers are counting numbers. So we will proceed more than 6 means first number is 7, then 8, then 9 and 10 also because it is closed from right. And we have to find the union of these two. So A union B. So common elements will be written once and rest of the elements of both the sets will be written. So here you see 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nothing is common. So all those elements will come. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So these are the elements of A union B. Concept is clear? X is a natural number and this is the condition. Natural number starts from 1. But condition is this. Okay, X is not 1. It is greater than 1. The first number will be 2. And it will go up to 6. Why? Because it is X is less or equal to 6. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These will be the elements. Similarly over here, X is a natural number, but X is greater than 6 and less or equal to 10. So greater than 6, that is 7, 8, 9, 10, up to 10 it will go. So in these two sets, no element is common. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and beyond 6 is here. So all the elements I have taken in this. That is last one. That is fifth one. The A union B. So A is given. So A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to 5. just before this, I have told the properties of union. A union phi is A, isn't it? So A union E, so that is equal to 1, 2 and 3, because A union phi is A, right? So first question I have done, rest of the questions I will take later. So I will meet you next time with more questions of this exercise and beyond that. So till then, take care of you, be happy, be healthy and be studious. All the best.